Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's practice. Continuing with this series of short practices, today we're going to be doing asanas that are going to help build strength in our whole body. I have a previous video wherein we work on flexibility. On days that you have time, you can always club both the practices together. Before we begin, a small request. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like this video. So you can begin by sitting in Sukhasana, or if you're comfortable, you can sit in Vajrasana, wherein you're resting your hips on your heel, keeping your back straight, close your eyes. We can stack our palms one over the other or rest it on our thighs. Close your eyes. Just notice the rise and fall of your chest. Now bringing your awareness to your abdomen. Notice your belly move forward and back. Now as you breathe in, notice the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Close your eyes, bringing your awareness to your chest, noticing the rise and fall of your chest. Notice your belly move forward and back. Shift your awareness to the tip of your nose. Noticing the air moving in and out of your nostril. The next time we breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om. Now slowly open your eyes with a few blinks. Now as we breathe in, we're going to move our arms towards the ceiling, drop our head back, trying to coordinate our breath with the movement of our arms. Now as we breathe out, come down. You can close your eyes, drop your chin to your chest. Next round, breathe in. Arms come up, press your palms against each other. Equal and opposite forces, and slowly breathe out and bring your hands down. Notice the contraction in your neck and your upper back, shoulders. Inhale, one more round. Press and down. Inhale. This time we're going to press our fingers against each other. Exhale and down. Last one. Up, press, and down. Now come on to our palms and knees. Wrist beneath our shoulder, knees beneath our hip, toes are engaged. Drop your belly towards the mat, chin, chest, gaze forward. And as you breathe out, now pull the navel in, press into the mat, drop your chin towards your chest. Breathe in one last time. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Come back to neutral position. Now I'm going to push my right leg out. Press my toes onto the mat. We're just going to rock forward and back, feeling a stretch in our calf. Forward and back. Normal breathing. Now the next time, press your toes into the mat. We're not going all the way back here. Press your toes into the mat, both your legs, and then raise your left knee off the mat. Hold. This is pretty intense. If this is too much for you, you can bring your knees back, press your toes and raise. See what works. Stay here. We're going to stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Drop. Sit back. Just move your wrist forward and back just to give it a break. Go back onto the mat. The other leg stretched out. Engage your toes. Stretch back and forward. 2 and 3. Press into the mat. Press your right toe. Lift your knees up and hover. 3, 2. You're going to feel this in your arms, abdomen, and 1. Knees nice and wide. Rest your hands behind. Bring your forehead onto the mat. We're going to stay here for 2 or 3 breaths. Bring your hands forward. Engage your toes. Lift your knees up. Try and drop your heels onto the mat. You may want to move slightly behind. Here. Now pressing your whole foot, or your knees may bend slightly, that's okay. But press your whole feet into the mat. And now, without raising your heels off the mat, whole foot on the mat, walk your hands forward. Keep breathing in and out. Again, come back just to a point wherein you can keep your knees straight. If your knees start bending, then move slightly away. See what works for you. Feel a good stretch all along your legs, the back of your legs. Again, forward. We're going to do this one more time. And back. Again, only to a point where your knees stay straight. See if you can drop your ears in line with your arms. Automatically, you'll feel a stretch in your lower back. Breathe in. Breathe out. You're going to move into Chaturanga Dandasana, your plank pose. Raise your heels off the mat. Stay here. 3, 2, and 1. Walk back. Drop your heels. Walk your hands back. Nicely, putting your weight on your palms. Come to wherever it's comfortable, wherein you don't have to bend your knees. Last one. Forward. Again, Chaturanga Dandasana. But here we're going to vary this slightly. Walk your hands further. Maybe coming off the mat. Hold. Stay here. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Drop your knees. Again, big toes to touch. Just to get the pressure off your arms. Bring it back. Rest your forehead on the mat. Couple of deep breaths in and out. And 1. Again, come back to tabletop. Lifting your knees, back. Arms forward. From here, drop your belly towards the earth. Stay on your palms and toes. Here, option 1 is this. This is intense. Here, if you're a beginner, just drop. Stay in Bhujangasana. Thighs are resting on the mat. If not, Urdva Mukha Svanasana. Upward dog. Come back to plank. Push your seat back. Adho Mukha Svanasana, or downward dog. If this is too much, here, again, arms in line with your ears. Coming to Parvatasana. 3 here. Inhale. Up. Come back to plank. Push back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, inhale. Try and coordinate your breath. Push and back. Stay here. Downward dog. Now raise both your heels off the mat. My right leg up towards the ceiling, either here or all the way up. Bend your knees. Pull your thigh towards your belly. Imagine like there's a hurdle. You're trying to go over it. Step your palms. Step your foot between your palms. Adjust the back leg. Inhale. Come up. Chandrasana. You may want to adjust your leg here. Inhale. Hand comes up. Exhale. There's a very slight bend, like as you're going to a low lunge. Pull your elbows towards your waist. Again, breathe in, straighten the back leg. If you can, keep the, if you can, keep the front leg, knees stacked over the ankle, thigh parallel. Just moving the back leg. If that's too much, you may need to straighten. Up, exhale, bend the knee. 3, and down. 4. This again, you can feel it in your back as well as your legs. Inhale up, just drop your hands forward. Rest. Your pyramid pose. You can keep your knees bent. So this is more like you're trying to rest in between. Inhale. Exhale. Step back. Move your legs back. Urdva Mukha Svanasana. Come back to neutral. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Raise both your heels up. Again, press your right toes into the mat. Left here or all the way up. Bend your knees. Bring it towards your belly. Your thighs towards your belly. Step forward. Inhale. Reach up. Chandrasana. As you're going into your Anjaneyasana, you're going to a low lunge. Up. 3. And down. You can see my breath is gotten choppy. 4. Down. 5. And down. Reach your hands up. Forward fold. Rest. Just one breath. In and out. Step your legs back. Last one. Urdva Mukha Svanasana. Come to plank. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Open your knees nice and wide. Sit back into Shashankasana. Stack your palms one over the other. Rest your forehead. Just trying to get your breath back into a comfortable rhythm. From here, come back to sitting in Vajrasana. Just turn. Stack your palms again, one over the other, or on your thigh. Close your eyes. You're going to take one deep breath in. We'll chant one round of Om and end the session. Breath in. Bring your hands behind your back, eyes stay closed. Lean forward, offering salutations to Mother Earth. Inhale, slowly come up. Bring your hands in front of you, rub your palms together. Using your warm palms, cup your eyes, just moving your eyes clockwise, anti-clockwise a couple of times. Now move your hands across your body. Don't forget the top of your head, the back of your head, your neck, all across your upper body, lower body, acknowledging each and every part of your body for the amazing job that it is doing of keeping you strong, keeping you healthy. Bring your palms in front of you, open your palms, open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you for doing this practice with me. I have another short video on pranayama coming out next week. I'll see you soon. Namaste.